Now the thing is that this sensor needs a place. I think it's going to be somewhere over here. I don't know yet. That's it. The booster plug installed. It's just 2 plugs. One male, one female. You can't do it wrong, so it's very easy. You just have to lift up your tank a little and we'll remove something from the bike. But it's like 10 minutes work, and the connection itself it's just 3 seconds. So it's very easy. Probably the hardest part is to find a place for this and just attach it to the frame somewhere. So that's it. Installing the booster plug. Yes. And the sensor, I found a very nice spot for it. Look at that. There it is. And it's just in front of this hole, so it should get all the fresh air it needs and the right temperature. The cable is free, so it's there shouldn't be a problem for steering or something like that. So let's see what it does. Okay, let's start with the tank again. Baby back in place. And it's all done. Well, now let's see if it starts.